outro because I'm terrible at it. Anyway, hi, I'm Natasha. Welcome back to Zach and Ollie's Craft Room. Oh no, I need to do it with, yeah. Cut this off. So it looks a bit different. Right, are we on?
Gee, Bane, yeah, they on.
Hi, welcome back to Zach and Ollie's Craft Room. If you're somebody that has been here before, welcome. If you're not, right, don't distract yourself by threading needles. Hi, I'm Natasha. Hi, I'm Natasha and welcome back to Zach and Ollie's Craft Room. If you're somebody that is new here, welcome. If you're somebody that's been here before and have come back, welcome and thank you for coming back. Today we are going to fix a bra strap, a bra hook and eye system. So today we're going to fix a bra back, the hook and eye system. We're going to fix a hook that has gone awry. So anybody that purchases bras will know how expensive they are, and this one is really quite new, from a well-known outlet. But as you'll be able to see here, the hook has come loose. Now that might not be such a problem, but this is in fact a high impact sports bra, so no good if it's got a random wobbly hook. So we're going to fix this today, and I'll show you how to be able to get this sorted so it doesn't have to end up in landfill and you don't have to have wasted your money on a very expensive bra. Now I am famous for using black cotton, and as you can see this is a grey bra, but I'm going to stick with black so you're able to see the stitching, see what I do here. As you can see, this one is the only one that is a problem. Everyone else is really quite secure. So I've already had a little look here and I don't know how this has come loose, because if you try and push the hook back into the fabric that it came from, you can't, because it's really quite tightly packed. So I don't know whether it actually came like that. I don't remember it being open, but anyway. So what I'm going to do is use my stitch ripper today, and I'm going to just loosen off these stitches that are inside so we can tuck this hook back into the bra fabric itself. So there we go, we've opened up, you'll be able to see, we've opened up those stitches so we can tuck the hook back in now. Now as you saw here, there is a hook on, there is I don't even know what you would call that, there is an area to secure it on this side and the same on that side. So what we're going to do is just tuck it back in, and I will need to rethread my needle. So we're just going to get this fixed today. I hope you're enjoying these videos and they are useful to you, because there's nothing worse than spending quite a lot of money on items and then not being able to use them, because I mean everything is so expensive at the moment, isn't it? So let's fix instead of ditch. So there we go, I've put my knot in there and I'm just trimming it off. Now again, if this was something that was going to be seen, I would make much more of an effort to get the cotton the right colour, but this will, the fact that it's black and it's mine and it's going to be covered anyway, I am going to just use this black thread so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so if you have a look, you pull the hook there, you can kind of see where the half circles are that we're going to be using to secure this. So I am going to go in at the back because this was the side that was loose, this side wasn't, though I will make sure that this is secure. So I'm going to go up through this fabric on the inner of that hook there, and then we're going to just push it up so we get the outer. Make sure that because obviously these stitches are what is going to secure this hook into place. So going back in and going over the hook and back down through there. Now obviously this is a high impact, so we're going to have to do more than a couple of stitches because we want to make sure that the garment is able to be used for the reason that it was intended. And this is not a small high impact bra, so it needs to make sure that everything is secure. Now you'll remember that we opened this bit up here to pop the hook back in. So what I'm going to just do is, once I feel as if I've done enough stitches to keep that hook in place, I'm going to go up and just close this top here. Now it's certainly not neat. I could potentially be a lot neater than I am being, but it doesn't need to be because it's going to be, it's underwear for so there we go. Now as I said, I'm just going to secure this other side. So we're back in and we're on the other side now, so we can pull the fabric back and we can see that is where our hook is. So we're just going to go in and catch over it into the middle there. We perhaps don't need as many stitches on this side because this wasn't insecure to begin with. Now if you weren't videoing you could probably get it a little bit neater than this, but what I'm going to do is come over to the other side. I'm just going to knot this into place. I just don't want it showing the thing there. Showing the massive size of my gahungis. I just don't want it showing that. There we go. So that is fully secure into place now. And whilst it does look a bit messy, it's now perfectly secure. So I'll be able to show you that all hooked up. There we go. All fixed and completely usable again. So thank you for joining me today for today's quick fix. If you enjoyed that video or found it useful, do drop a like or a comment below. Keep it friendly. And yeah, if you're not subscribed, please do so for more crafty videos and quick fixes. I'll see you again soon.